Hi guys, hope everyone's had a fantastic holiday. Merry Christmas. And looking forward to a fantastic New Year. Let's, fingers crossed. As Americans, we're not too sure about it. Okay, my wife decided to do me a real solid and replace my old backpack, which is let's see, it's an old is it a Winger or Swiss Army whistle? Anyway, regardless, it's seen its better days. It's still, no complaints. It's still okay. Not as organized as I would like for it to be, although it is a good backpack, and it's been from one coast from the East Coast to the West Coast and back many a time, all over the country. But she replaced it with this. This is a 511 Rush 24, and man, this thing is outstanding. It is awesome. It is awesome. It has compression straps on the top, which someone said something about the bottom of these compression straps, which you can always add to it, I suppose. It's a solid back panel. I think it's a piece of plastic or something in the back panel which separates. It also is water bladder compatible. You can run your tubes up through here. But I was so impressed with it. This pocket in the very top is meant for your sunglasses, or in my case, the pair of glasses. And I also have some sunglasses I'll put in when I go. If I use it for hiking, which it will mostly be used for around campus and schools. But I was just wowed by how fantastic this system is. The two pockets on top I use to, let's see, if there's lens cleaners. I have a multi-tool I keep in there, and some hand sanitizer, and it's got like butterfly pockets on each side. And there's hand sanitizer. I'm kind of a hand sanitizing freak, a clean freak. I keep some ibuprofen in a camera, a 35mm camera case, and these are some medications. I'm getting to the point where I have to take medicine every day. Fantastic idea. Molly webbing. You can get different tactical pouches and stuff to go on with the molly webbing, which I probably will add a water bottle pouch to it, even though it does have a place for a bladder. In the very back is a place for a bladder. There's a solid panel back here too. It's a plastic panel. I mean, nothing. It's great though. It helps conform to your back and helps keep your back from sweating so much. This is meant for a water bladder, although a 15-inch laptop will work fine. I have a 17-incher that doesn't fit in there, though it does in the main compartment, which doesn't go with me everywhere anyway, so not a big deal. It's really, I have a camera case. This is for my Canon S100 PowerShot on the molly webbing on front. A little low pro case. Keep a couple of batteries and some SD cards in there. It's I can't say enough about it, to be honest. It's fantastic. In here I have just like a Cliff Bar, some eye drops. There's a camera charger, battery charger. Lens cleaning pen, a couple of pencils. Like I said, I'm just getting started. I haven't really started using it. Keep a tin of Yip Yap, which is similar to Altoids for your dog, but keep AAA batteries in it, because I have a lot of flashlights that incorporate AAA batteries, and I like using AAA. See, how is that? Yeah, I'll work it out. I'll carry it's a Coleman, pretty high intensity. Takes just a few AAAs. Just like I said, still working on where I'm going to carry everything. Spare glasses in here, because in case you haven't already noticed, why there's a bat you have to have glasses. I really love the system. There's just more room in it than I really know what to do with as of yet. I'm sure before all said and done, it will be used and then some, I'm sure. And plus I have to worry about EDC carry of certain length knives, and I like being prepared, but at the same time I don't want to be insane enough. Okay, in here I keep a schmog and a skull cap, a bandana, which is probably overkill. I probably don't really need this. Got plenty of room for whatever here in this zipper pocket, which I haven't even. Honestly, I need to start using this one too, I suppose. The very bottom pocket is where I keep my SOL bag, which is to survive outdoors longer. I've added some Neosporin and a fire kit to it, but this is a first aid kit, and essentially a first aid kit along with you know, there's a whole. I've got a video online, and you guys want to see what's in it. See what's in it. I haven't added a whole lot to it, other than a lighter and like I said, some Neosporin and maybe some more bandages. But if you'll notice, once it goes down in this bottom pocket, look at all the room. I mean, and that's a fairly decent sized bag. Still got all this room and all these pockets. This thing is fantastic. I cannot wait to really incorporate the use of it. I carry a 50 feet of paracord, which, you know, believe it or not, it does come in handy. It really does from time to time. Most of this stuff I need to tuck away, and just like this is a fire starting kit. I need to put it in a different location other than a pocket. It needs to be in a pocket that's less accessible because it's not something that I'm going to need every day, as well as a sharpening, a DMT diamond sharpener. And the top pocket I've got, which this pocket I don't know what this is for. Top or bottom can unzip. In here I've got a little, smart gear radio. I think it's like 20-25 bucks at Kohl's or something. You can charge the battery with crank, or it's a solar compatible, and it's also with certain types of was it a mini or a micro USB? You can use it as a charger, a solar charger for your cell phone. I wish I could find a micro to compatible for my iPhone, which is what I carry as an iPhone. Although several different things that would be compatible with. It works great. If you notice a little red light, if it's getting sunlight, the red light shows that it's charging. I think that's neat. It works pretty good in an emergency situation. Weather is the main emergency. I would think that it would. I'll be very grateful to have it. Let's put it that way. Okay. We've got that. We've been through all this. So let's. This is one thing. If you didn't really examine the bag, you would not know it was there. And you have two pockets on either side. I carry another flashlight. I know I'm a flashlight. My wife says I'm insane. I carry too many lights. On both sides. Pockets. And keep in mind, I mean, this is just EDC items. You know, plus the schmog may come out. I may just carry a bandana with me because I don't know what I was thinking when I bought a schmog. Although in a dusty environment, it would be great to have. The patch, you have these Velcro places. Here's a place for a flag, and no matter what nationality you may be, Mexican, you can put a Mexican flag or a Australian, Britain, any flag is available, I'm sure. And up here is for your name tag, which I'm thinking about getting a name tag and maybe adding some Grimlocks. I don't know if you guys, little Grimlock deal, little plastic carabiners that actually hook onto here, and then you can. They're great. I thought about that. So, but this is the 511 Rush 24. They make 3 versions. They make a Rush 12, which is designed for 12 hours of survivability, I guess, and they make a 24 and a 72. The 72, I can't imagine. It must be huge. These lashings, you can lash a bedroll or whatever to it, also. The drain holes I'm not sure about. The main pocket has 2 drain holes on it, and I would prefer, and I may do something to cover these up, because if you're carrying food in the main compartment, you don't want insects to be able, or I don't want insects to be able to get into it. Now the back compartment, which I understand, you want a drain hole there because of the, this is where you keep a hydration pack, if you're so inclined, and I can understand the drain hole there. But these, I'm not too keen on these, so I may do something, which, hey, some duct tape, that's what it's for. But this is my my new boy, which will be seen with me everywhere I go, starting as soon as class starts. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Thanks a lot.